Welcome to a world where culinary artistry meets automotive luxury. In this episode, we take you behind the scenes at the House of Cakes Bakery, Dubai, where the cake artists craft the extraordinary, turning dreams of owning a luxury car into a delicious reality. These mouth-watering works of art are almost too beautiful to eat. It all begins with inspiration. As cake artists, the team at House of Cakes is no stranger to the love for luxury cars. The sleek lines, the precision engineering, and the sheer elegance of these automobiles serve as the muse for their creations. The canvas for these masterpieces isn't metal, it's cake. The first step is to prepare the foundation, ensuring it's as delicious as it is visually stunning. Watch as their skilled artists bring the cakes to life. Each step is a testament to their dedication to the craft. It's all about the details. The House of Cakes Bakery Dubai takes pride in their meticulous approach to decorating these 3D car cakes. Every curve, every emblem, every headlight is carefully sculpted, painted, and assembled to mirror the real thing.